The SoClean hose and mask adapter connects your SoClean directly to your CPAP hose and is compatible with both heated and non-heated hoses. For illustrative purposes, here is a visual reference on how various CPAP hoses may look when connected to this adapter. If you are currently using another type of SoClean adapter that is attached to the ozone tube, disconnect the ozone tube and remove the adapter from your sleep equipment. Save the old adapter in case you need it in the future. If you had been using a SoClean lid adapter, you will need to remove the old lid adapter from your CPAP and replace it with your original humidifier lid. Remove the CPAP hose from your sleep equipment and install the SoClean adapter onto the end of the CPAP hose. Connect the free end of the black ozone tube to the nozzle on the SoClean adapter. The other end of the ozone tube must be connected to the back of the SoClean. If this is your first time using your SoClean 3, the final step is to activate it. Press the control panel buttons in the following order: maintenance cycle, fresh air cycle, cycle delay, fresh air cycle, maintenance cycle. You should notice the green Cycle Complete icon light up. Your SoClean 3 is now activated and ready to use. Review the safety checklist. You are now ready to use your SoClean. Place the mask into the SoClean chamber and run the maintenance cycle. If you have a 12mm hose, you will need to use the hose sleeve to ensure a proper fit when placed inside your SoClean. The hose sleeve is not needed with 15mm or 19mm hoses. Position the hose sleeve 2 to 3 inches from the connector. Position the hose on the nub side of the hose sleeve. Slide the hose until the sleeve clicks into place between 2 of the hose ribs. Close the hose sleeve. Place the hose in the hose slot, lining up the hose sleeve with the hose slot gasket, and shut the lid. Once the maintenance cycle is complete and you are ready to use your sleep equipment, remove the SoClean adapter from the CPAP hose. Reconnect the CPAP hose to the sleep equipment hose port. Your sleep equipment is now ready to use. Contact us at SoClean.com. Call 866-501-3705 or email info@SoClean.com.